charity who for 20 years has been using rescued, donated and homegrown ingredients to cook free, nutritious meals for people who are facing hardship. We now operate Australia's largest charity kitchens in Melbourne and Brisbane. Powered by volunteers, we cook thousands and thousands of meals every day for frontline charities who then distribute our meals to people looking for support.
At the moment, I'm a pensioner and I looked after my wife until she passed away. I didn't want to know any more after that, anything. And now I'm slowly coming back. Me living on my own, this is just perfect for me. But plus for me, it's good to get out and talk to people.
Things can turn very quickly, loss of jobs, loss of income. So if we can give someone that little glimmer of hope in a meal, then we're halfway on to getting them back on track of where they should be.
Because of domestic violence, I was moved from one place to other place. As single mom with 3 kids, having FareShare, I don't have to worry about my next meal. It's comforting to have someone there that care about you. It's beyond the meal FareShare for me. So when I'm volunteering, I really like to take my kids with me if possible, so they understand, there is other family like us, no need to be embarrassed. We are in the situation, this is my way to say thank you.
It isn't something that is just bought and donated. It's got the heart and soul of so many people in so many circumstances to receive that meal.
Volunteering has provided me just an incredible opportunity to show my gratitude. My parents came over to Australia in 1979 as refugees, and for the first 6 months they were here, they very much relied on the generosity of food charities. And so I just felt that I had a responsibility to pay their good fortunes forward.
I think what we have here at FareShare is like a great community, and what we do makes a huge difference. So I really am encouraged to come back each week, and I enjoy what I do here.
All our rescued and donated ingredients come from the generosity of food companies, and our homegrown ingredients come from our very own kitchen gardens.
It is quite nice to see the beginning to the end. I plant it, I grow it, I pick it, and often I chop it and put it in the casserole, so I can see the whole end result. It's a really good feeling.
There are so many different ways that people can support FareShare. If you're an individual, an organisation, a farmer, a manufacturer, your help will make a real difference.